Right, breakfast time for Mannee. Go closer. Get right in there. And then touch it, yeah. Oh, it's a cheese day. Are you finished with your cheese? And hold it. All right, there. As I feed you now. Oh, God. Lost the cheese. Mannee. There's the cheese. Do that. Then we've lost the cheese. I will get the cheese. God's truth, the cheese. Mannee, wait. All right. I'll hold the stick. Can you get in that little face? Eat it, Mannee. I think Manny's cheesed out.
Yeah.
No, hold your own cheese. Hold your own cheese. You're a big girl. Hold your own cheese. There we go. No, it's full.
Yeah.
Well, that's the end of that then.